Wagwan my tenement yard peeps. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like up the video, yeah. Zine. So anyways, what heap of people I wonder, how is Nicki Minaj so active, in Jamaica when she isn't even here? She over Jamaican TikTok, and trust, she's always been supportive of Jamaican culture, of course. But no, she and the TikToker them, I get really close because BLAM them, who's also a famous TikTok influencer, is now linking up with Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj was in the studio. SKENG, dancehall artist SKENG, was present, as well as BLAM them. And me, I wonder, like, what's the vibe? We all know that Nicki and SKENG would have collabed before, but how did BLAM them reaching at a soup? We don't understand what gone. Somebody has spread some rumors say probably Nicki Minaj love off the Jamaican man them. Probably she tired of fear man, a foreign, and she want test the waters out here. No, me not gonna get into that. I heard she has an upcoming album that is about to drop, and it's going to be a mixture of reggae, dancehall, and hip hop. So apparently, skenging at the studio with Nicki Minaj, definitely that would that be like a collab. Me assume it's gonna be a collab, but we blame them they far. And some people are say Nicki Minaj, I use the Jamaican TikToker them for clout, and I can't understand that because Nicki is the clout. She's already famous. She's very wealthy. If anybody I get clout or some form of attention is the TikTokers and also Skeng, because she really a promote him song and she really a put him out there. So Moda say Nicki is just being supportive. And she's well laid back because the woman rich. She's in her 40s. She not nothing else to prove to nobody. She's very talented. She already make a name for herself. But something, I'm going to feel like Nicki Minaj have a plan. Because there's no way you're so invested over Jamaican TikTok and also in Jamaica. Like, I know she support Trinidad, but she not support Trinidad like how she support Jamaica. I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comment section because you already cuss me off, You need to stop cuss me off. We're only here to talk and discuss, people. Listen, I know all for reason I bring the vibe. I will for just reason and build a vibe under the comment section without being disrespectful, I'm not confirming stuff. We're talking about circulated news, things that are rumored, things that are being said, It would be like me the messenger. And at the end of the day, yes, me I have an opinion because that's how the thing go. Everybody have to have their own opinion at the end of the day. When I mentioned, Vibes Cartel went on Drink Champs, a podcast. He went overseas, the US. He was on Drink Champs podcast and, he mentioned that Cardi B and Lil Kim are his two favorite female rappers. I'm going to scratch my head, come here and say, wait. Sir? Mr. Palmer? What about Nicki Minaj? And I've said this. She was always rooting for him while he was incarcerated. And even when he got out, she was so happy. She actually congratulated him being released from prison. So I'm like, what issue? While he was also incarcerated, she did a collab. She collabed with him on Just Touchdown. And that song there really did well. Big up Styler G. So I want to know what issue. People are saying probably because Nicki Minaj, she did have a Gag City tour the other day and Beanie Man did come out on stage and she really gave Beanie Man his standing ovation and gave Beanie his flowers. And somebody has said probably that's why Vibes Cartel in I'm feelings. I'm going to say Lil Kim, I'm favorite female rapper. People, be for real. Lil Kim not washed up. Lil Kim not kind of irrelevant right now. I'm just saying. I am just saying. But let me know what going on in the comment section. We want to know, what is Nicki's plan? Why is she so close to the Jamaican TikTokers? Why is she so invested in Jamaican business? Leave a comment below. Leave a like for this video. And always big up my tenement yard peeps. I'm out.